Have you ever built something that looked great for a few months, only to feel outdated later? The best woodworking projects are not just beautiful, they are timeless. They fit almost any home. Work with a changing decorating style. Styles useful for many years. Hello there, dear viewers, welcome back to Decor Idea channel. Today we are sharing 12 woodworking craft project ideas that never go out of trend and continue to look amazing years after years. These projects are perfect for beginners and experienced makers alike. Whether you are building for your own home or planning to sell handcrafted, these timeless ideas are always in demand. So, watch the video until the end to see our collection and get inspiration. Let's get inspired. Floating wooden shelves. Floating wooden shelves never get out of style. They fit modern, rustic, farmhouse, and minimalist homes. Use them to display books, plants, candles, or family photos. They save space while adding warmth to any room. Simple designs always remains popular. Wooden coffee table. Every living room needs a beautiful coffee table. A clean wooden design works with almost any decorating style. Natural wood ages beautifully over time, and handmade coffee tables often becomes family favorites. This is a project you will enjoy for years. Entryway bench. A wooden bench makes every entrance feel welcoming. It offers a place to sit while putting on shoes. It also creates a warm first impression. Simple benches never become out of date. Practical furniture is always valuable. Wooden survey trays. Survey trays are useful every day. They work for breakfast, coffee, snack, or home decorating. Handmade trays always makes a wonderful gift. Small projects often has long-last value. Plant stands. Indoor plants continue to grow in popular. Simple wooden plant stand adds natural beauty to any room. It helps organize your space. It also makes plants more mixable. This timeless project woodwork is in every season. Wooden wall clock. A handmade wooden clock is both useful and decorative. Clean designs match many decorating styles. Wood add warmth that plastic cannot. Functional decoration never goes out of fashion. Blanket ladders. Blanket ladders are simple, elegant, and practical. They organize blankets without taking much space. They also display soft textures beautifully. This project works in bedroom and living room. Simple ideas often becomes timeless classic. Wooden storage box. Storage never goes out of style. A handmade wooden box keeps everyday items organized. Use it for keeping tools, toys, or office supplies. Storage makes every room feel tied. Side tables. Small side tables often almost every home. They hold book, lamp, coffee, or decoration. Simple wooden tables remain useful for many years. Natural materials blend with changing trends. Timeless furniture always finds a place. Wooden picture frames. Photos preserve special memories. Handmade wooden frames makes those memories even more meaningful. They are also make thoughtful gifts. Classic design never lose their appeal. Coat racks. Every home needs a place for jackets, hats, and bags. A wood coat rack combines beauty with function. It helps keep every entry organized. Clean design suits almost every home. Everyday usefulness keeps this project timeless. Dining table. A solid wooden dining table is one of the most timeless woodworking projects. Family gathering around it every day. It becomes part of birthday, holidays, and everyday life. Quality craftsmanship can last for generations. This is more than furniture, it's where memories are made honest. If you are enjoying this woodworking project idea, be sure to hit like and subscribe. More amazing ideas are on the way. You will not want to miss them. Share this with someone who loves home decor. Let's get inspired together. Why timeless projects are always win. Some projects become popular after a few months and then disappear. Timeless projects stay useful for years after year. They fit almost every home and every decorating style. That's why they continue to attract buyers. Building timeless pieces is always a smart choice. Choose simple design. Simple designs are easier to enjoy for many years. Clean lines never feel out of date. They match modern, rustic farmhouse and classic homes. A simple project often has the longest life. Beauty does not have to be complicated. Build something people actually use. The best woodwork projects are not just beautiful, they are useful every single day. Furniture, organizer, shelf, and storage pieces are always have a purpose. Useful projects rarely goes out of style. Natural wood never goes out of fashion. Natural wood has been loved for generations. Every board has its own unique color and grain. Wood adds warmth that other materials often can't match. It works in every season. Nature never goes out of style. Handmade quality lasts longer. Handmade projects receive extra care and attention. Taking your time creates a stronger result. Quality work stands out the test of time. The well-made project can serve a family for many years. Build with pride every step of the way. Projects that can be passed down. Some furnitures become part of the family tradition. Handmade bench, dining table, rocking chair. These are not just a project. They become memories shared across generations. Timeless projects makes great gifts. Handmade wooden great gifts are always appreciated. They are thoughtful and personal. Unlike many trendy gifts, they remained useful for years. A handmade gift items shows time and care. That's what makes it meaningful. Decor that work in every room. Some projects fit almost everywhere. A shelf belongs in the kitchen, in the bedroom or office. A small side tables work beside a sofa or a bed. A flexible design stays useful for longer time. Keep improving every project. Your first project does not need to be perfect. Every build teaches you something new. Small improvements lead to better craftsmanship. Better craftsmanship creates long-lasting furniture. Every project is another step forward. Make it easy to maintain. Simple projects are easier to clean and care for. Timeless furniture should be practical. A little care goes a long way. Long-lasting furniture starts with simple habits. Don't follow every trend. Home design trends change quickly. Timeless woodworking focuses on lasting beauty. Beauty pieces you will still enjoy years for now. Classic designs never feel out of place. That's what makes them a great investment of your time. Add your personal style. Every woodworker has a unique touch. Small details makes your project stand out. Your creativity makes every piece one of a kind. Handmade work also always has a personality. That's something factory-made furniture cannot offer. Build a matching collection. One project often inspires another. Start with a side table, add a matching shelf, then build a coffee table in same style. A matching collection gives you a home finished professional look. Turn your hobby into extra income. Timeless projects are popular with many buyers. People often look for furniture that will not go out of style. Build classic design creates more selling opportunity. Quality and simplicity attracts customers. A great hobby can also become a rewarding source of extra income. The best project solves everyday problem. A contract keeps things organized. A bench provides comfort. The practical ideas always stays relevant. Start with affordable materials. You will not need expensive wooden to create a beautiful project. Many beautiful begins with reclaimed or leftover woods. Careful woodworkers add real value. Beautiful furniture does not have to be expensive. Enjoy the building process. Woodworking is about more than the finished project. It's all about learning, creating, and improving. Every project builds confidence. Every mistake teaches a lesson. Enjoy the journey as much as the result. Timeless craftsmanship never loses value. Style will change, colors will change, decorating trend will come and go. But well-made wooden furniture and home decoration will always appreciated. At the end, the best woodworking projects are not the ones that follow the last trend. They are the ones that stay useful, beautiful, and dependable for years. Whether you are building for your own home or selling handmade crafts, timeless woodworking is always a smart investment. Keep learning, keep creating, and enjoy watching your skill grows with every project. If you enjoyed these ideas, please like this video and subscribe for more woodworking inspiration, DIY furniture projects, and home decor ideas, and beginner-friendly tutorials. We would love to hear you from in the comment section. Which timeless wooden project idea do you think every home should have? Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.